Hey everyone, I'm Gladys, your AI host from TestGorilla. This month, we're launching some of our biggest updates yet. A new AI-enabled evaluations tool, better sourcing experience, and smoother recruiter workflows. Let's dive in.
Meet the new AI resume scoring tool, designed to evaluate resumes based on job-specific skills, not just keywords. It replaces manual screening with explainable, transparent AI scoring. Logging in just got easier. New users can now sign in directly with Microsoft accounts via Entra ID. No passwords, just secure, fast access available on every plan. Sourcing is getting a major upgrade. Recruiters now send structured invites with clear job info, and candidates receive them in a brand new inbox inside their TestGorilla profile. They can accept, reject, or message recruiters directly. We've simplified step 1 of the job builder by removing unnecessary fields like work arrangement and location. It's now faster, cleaner, and easier to use. We've updated the wording for the share results setting to make it crystal clear. It now only controls result visibility, not profile creation. You can now export results from multiple assessments at once. It's a huge time saver for teams managing large volumes of candidate data.
That wraps up October's releases. From AI resume scoring to better sourcing, these updates help you hire smarter and faster. Thanks for being part of the journey, and stay tuned for next month's big upgrades.